This is Ann from ducttapeanddenim.com, and today I am going to show you how to turn pretty much anything into a snowman. This is the first one, and this is just out of a piece of scrap wood. Glenn I think this is when he was making furniture, he ripped some 2x4s down. This is about 1.5 inches, and I just painted it white. I think I used the chalky white paint. Look at his nose. This is my favorite part. We sell these in our shop. You can find them at ducttapeanddenim.com/shop. So let me show you the parts here. And I kind of got ahead of myself with this one. I almost made it, and then I thought, no, I'm going to show them how to do it online. So I just painted it white. I didn't paint the bottom because I figured it's going to be sitting like that. Nobody will ever see it. But you could paint the bottom and put a hanger and turn it into a big ornament too. So there's just so many different things you could do with this. And this one I just drew on with a Sharpie. I drew the eyes and mouth with a Sharpie. But I think I'm going to put buttons for these eyes. So, and I'm just going to use hot glue for these. Alright, so that is just hot glue. Probably if it was something I was selling, I would use my E6000 because E6000 works a lot better. You can pull off the hot glue, you know, eventually. It holds pretty good on wood, but sometimes if you're on a slick surface, it'll pop off. So, okay, just that by itself is pretty cute, don't you think? But we're not going to stop there. We're going to give him a little scarf. This one I had some red burlap, and I frayed the ends of it. Whoops, still fraying. And then I just measured it. This one I'm using felt. And I'm going to find the middle of it and then glue that onto the back, which I probably should have done before I glued the nose on, because now I can't lay it flat. Just put some glue across there. Put the center down. And then in the front, I'm going to pull it around, and I'm kind of going to try to make it angle a little bit and just tack it down with some glue there. And you could put something, you could put a little button there, or you could put a little leaf or a piece of holly or something. So there you go. That's the scarf. Now I'm going to give him a hat. We also sell these in our shop. And if y'all would like any of these, I'm pretty sure the carrot noses are $2 for a package of 2. This is $1. If you want to just leave a comment and say, send me some, let me know your email address and I will send you an invoice. I'm going to fit this on. Make sure the seam's in the back. And I'm going to fit, it doesn't fit exactly, so I'm going to put it in the front first. And see, it's a little loose in the back, but I'm just kind of fold it over and glue it down. That worked pretty good. And with the one before, the first one I made, I don't know, I don't really like how the hat just stands up like that, but I think it would just kind of flop over. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and glue it down like I did the first one, like just with a little dot of glue there on the side. How's that? All right. Snowman number 1 is done. I think I like the button eyes better than these two. So if you order the nose and the hat, let me know if you need some buttons, because I got a lot of buttons here, and I'll just throw in some buttons. with your order. So just make sure you let me know that you want them. Next, that I think is so cute. This can seriously turn anything into a snowman, any metal object into a snowman. See this? This is a metal pitcher. I am pretty sure that we got this at IKEA. And what I did was I glued magnets onto the back of the nose and eyes. So anything metal you can turn into a snowman. If you had a tin can, you could paint the tin can white. Any kind of metal vase, especially because I didn't really want to make this vase just for Christmas. I want to be able to take it off and, like, I've had wheat in it for fall, but now I put some fake greenery and fake berries in there. It's like, sorry I'm getting distracted, y'all. All of a sudden I'm getting all these texts and Facebook messages and everything. Of course, nobody has contacted me all morning until now. So what I did with that was I did not hot glue them. I used E6000 and these little tiny magnets. Can you see those? I got these on Amazon. Let me know if you're interested and I can find the exact listing on Amazon for you. But they're little teeny tiny, but they're pretty strong. And I'm keeping them in this because they're hard to keep up with. So I want to find two buttons that kind of match. Those two are pretty close. And with my E6000, I'm going to turn those over down. So I think I'm going to put it onto the button. Whoa. Actually, I think I got enough for both. So I'm going to see if I can do that. Spread a little on both sides. I mean on both buttons. And then put the teeny tiny little magnet right on the back. Can you see that? It is a tiny magnet, but like I said, it's super strong. Oops, now they're stuck to each other. Now they're stuck to my fingernail. And then I need another nose, carrot nose. I'm gonna put a little bit of E6000 on that. Now the thing about these is this glue is that it does take longer to dry than hot glue. So I would let this dry overnight. So see, they're already stuck. Oh, there's a random magnet. But before I try to pull it off, because right now if I pull it off, let's see. Yeah, see, it came off because the glue hadn't dried completely. And the magnet is stronger than the glue right now. But if you wait until the glue dries, it will be stronger than the magnet. See, this one is completely dry, so I can just pull them off. I can rearrange them. After Christmas, I can take this off and I can put something else in my picture. All right, so that was snowman number 2. Snowman number 3 is actually going to be like snowman 3A and 3B. Because I have this one. Well, first of all, let me show you I had this pile of juice can lids that I've probably had for years because we don't even drink this kind of juice anymore. And I spray painted them all white. And this one has magnets on it right now, but you could also just hot glue the eyeballs on there like you did the other. I'm going to hot glue this on and give it a test to see how well it'll stay on. Now, I don't have buttons, black buttons small enough to be like coal for the mouth, so I'm going to draw little pieces of coal with my Sharpie. So that's kind of a combination of all the ones I've done before. Now, I was thinking about putting a hat on that. Do you think I should put a hat on this one too? What do you think? He sure is cute with a hat. I'm going to do it. Now, the hat is like way too big for it, so I'm just going to kind of tuck it around behind and glue it down behind. And again, I think I'm going to glue this ball over on the side so it won't flop backwards. It'll be at the front. Now to make this an ornament, I am probably going to hot glue some string. I just happen to have jute here. I'm going to glue it on the back. Trying my best not to burn my fingers. But if I do, that's okay. I burn my fingers all the time. I'm going to try holding the two ends and putting it into the hot glue in between. See if that works. All right, pretty cute. I am liking it. And now I got hot glue strings all over everything. But I'm gonna wait till they cool before. All right, y'all, oh man, I can't tell which one's my favorite. I'm gonna leave them all up here and let y'all vote for him. And how are you gonna be able to see this? I'm gonna have to turn my picture on its side maybe so you can see that. Which one do you like better? Now, if you don't have the super cute little carrot nose, I mean, we do sell them, but I don't want y'all to have to buy the carrot noses. You can draw it on with a Sharpie. So this is the Snowman 3B. This is spray painted white. And everything is drawn on with a Sharpie. And then I punched a hole with my hole punch. Let me show you that. Maybe I'll do it on this one, because this one doesn't have a hole yet. So, just get my hole punch here. This is like a heavy duty hole punch, and this tin for this juice lid is nothing for that. Watch. So, there's the hole, and then I'm gonna cut some red and green baker's twine to hang this. One of those things, you know, you can do it fine until you're trying to do it on camera, and then all of a sudden, you know, I can't tie a knot, or I can't make a bow anytime, so that's nothing new, but can't thread a needle on camera. All right, I want y'all to vote which one you like best. Snowman number 1, made out of wood. Snowman number 2 was actually magnets that you can make anything. So this is kind of an in-between Snowman 2 and 3 because these are magnets stuck onto metal. And Snowman number 3, made out of juice can lids. So, which one do you like better? So I grabbed a few other things to show you that you could get mason jar lids, you know, painted white, turn it into a snowman. You could get, I was thinking somehow turning this into a snowman. What do you think? Put a little body on there. I've got a bunch of these tart tins. Will that stick? You could turn them into snowmen, make them white, put little hats on them. Those would be super cute little snowmen. What else do I have here? Oh, I have old clothespins. These are a little small for the noses, but you know, you could draw on with a Sharpie, draw a little tiny nose if you wanted, paint it white. Of course, I still have all these salt shakers. These make really cute snowmen. I love to hear your ideas, and I love to see what you've made, so I would love it if you would join our 12 Days of Christmas group to share what you've been making. I'm going to go put a post in there, and if y'all have made any kind of snowman, you can just come over and share a picture. Let us know what you're making. I'm going to go finish up some stuff, get ready for my afternoon. Don't forget to vote for the snowman you like. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting, sharing, liking, all that stuff. We appreciate that. and can't wait to see what y'all make. Bye.